Hi, and welcome back to I Can Grow. Today, we're just taking a bit of time to just admire everything that's been grown on this season. And even though this is only our test year to see what crops we are able to grow here, we have been blessed with an amazing amount of good-looking crop. So check it out in this special uncut episode of What's Been Grown On in the City Garden. I kind of want to chomp one. Probably have to. It's not a smart idea. Okay, this one's not that hot. Yep. Nope. Yeah, this one's still very new. That's kind of handsome. Okay. But this one's the little bit color. Oh, guck mal, wie geil. So silbrig, lila. Lila, silbrig. Schon cool. Fascinating. These lemons. But they'll be in the episode next week. There's a band. Mango. Watermelon. I'll try to experiment if it works. That'll be fun. Tomatoes. Yeah. Decent production. Decent production. Doch, das ist echt gut. Das ist mir so, wenn es so hin. Wow, guck mal was. Wow, look at those. Chompers. Chompers of Vermeer. God damn. That's pretty great. I guess the soil amendment worked. Das waren die ganzen Scrubs, ne, die da drunter sind. Watermelon. Ginger. Ginger is clear. Still too wet, I think. Yeah, probably. It's been raining a lot. Better. Oder sehen das aus wieder? Die sind am wesentlich mehr geworden. No? Goats. Oops. Ja, das müssen wir auf jeden Fall, also hier müssen wir dann so ein bisschen Sand mit einfügen, müssen wir dann ein bisschen Sand carven, because they do not like clay soil, and this is like almost clay level soil. Und die können es gar nicht. Das sind ja, wie heißen die Rhizomes? Die Rhizomes. It's amazing. Harvested one, 2 more are growing. War das doch schon gut? Ja. Crazy. grapes are looking good. So Shade, das habe ich wirklich gut gemacht. Diese Shade drumherum sich windet. Und das ganze, the whole railing is gonna get. And this one should be there too. Let's take a look. That's pretty much harvestable, I believe. Let's try one. Shiba. Ja. Ein, 2 Wochen. Dann haben die genug Sonne. Peach tree. That doesn't look so good. Even though the peaches are developing, they're getting some corn. They're getting eaten on. So issues right, left, and center. Probably gonna have to put a net over it next time. We're gonna grow some peaches. Guess later. More ginger. We're in the second thingy that I don't know
Stock.
what it's called again. It's not the word I was looking for. This is gonna have a producer next year. It's gonna produce next year. I already see this. Yeah. This is a homegrown from seed blueberry. That's crazy. Spectacular. The avocado that's somehow surviving. Don't know how, but I'm happy about it. Goji berry. Goji berry? No, it's not goji berry. It's gooseberry. Yeah, thank you. Another blueberry. Die scheint sich zu erholen. Ist ganz gut. Geholfen mit der Erde. Und die scheint sich zu verschlechtern. Crazy. Alright. Potatoes seem better. That was a lot of rain indeed. All right. Okay. The little lemon tree that will also be in the episode. Then we have broccoli that's somehow here for the second year. Das war echt verrückt. Das Finish war wirklich verrückt, der Brokkoli. Der war einfach. Was war das? War so ein Stück Root, ne? This whole experiment, which is going to be, I think, leek seeds? Leek seeds? Pour? No, pour? Is it pour? Puree? I don't remember the
Porree ist Deutsch. Das ist eine Zwiebel, glaube ich.
Porree ist eigentlich französisch. Und ja, Zwiebeln. Blackberry net is working as well. It's pretty cool. Then we have the yellow raspberry, which is producing more buds. Pretty cool. Some of the old growth has is slightly dying off, but therefore this extended rootstock from the root right here has extended upwards all the way to producing more fruit for us. Yes. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, I think. And then we have the lemon balm, which is not smell. Barely smellable now because it has already flowered. Same goes for peppermint. No, this is the spearmint. Spearmint has like, it's distinguishable slightly. This is the perfect example. Black sort of outlines. Black reddish. If you see those, it's usually a spearmint. And this over here would be a regular. Or no. Oh, over here. I don't remember, to be honest. Yeah, this is true. No more schmutz. If you let it flower, it will stop producing those sweet terpenes that you're looking for. That's the garden. Salad, cucumbers, carrots, onions, paprika, some more jalapenos are going to be grown. Yeah, whatever else I can get